She may be the face I can't forget, a trace of pleasure or regret, maybe my treasure or the price I have to pay. She may be the song that summer sings, maybe the chill that autumn brings, maybe 100 different things within the measure of a day. She may be the beauty or the beast, may be the famine or the feast, may turn each day into a heaven or a hell. She may be the mirror of my dream, a smile reflected in a stream. She may not be what she may seem inside her shell. She who always seems so happy in a crowd, whose eyes can be so private and so proud, no one's allowed to see them when they cry. She may be the love that cannot hope to last, may come to me from shadows of the past, that I'll remember till the day I die. She may be the reason I survive, the why, the wherefore I'm alive, the one I'll care for through the rough and rainy years. Me, I'll take her laughter and her tears and make them all my souvenirs. For where she goes, I've got to be. The meaning of my life is she.
You are the love of my life. I knew it right from the start. The moment I looked at you, you found a place in my heart.
You are the love of my life. You give me reason to live. You taught me how to be strong. With you is where I belong. No one's ever touched me quite the way you touch me. People search a lifetime to find what we have. You are the love of my life, one thing that's good in this life. I'll spend the rest of my days just loving you.
You are the love of my life, the heart and soul of my life. Once I was lost and alone, with you at last I am home.
You give me so much of you and leave me room to be free. No one's ever touched me quite the way you touch me. People search a lifetime to find what we have. You are the love of my life, one thing that's good in this life.
And in a world world of change. One thing I'm sure of, you are the love of my life, the one thing that makes sense in this life. I'll spend the rest of my days just loving you. You are the love of my life, and I thank God I'm alive to spend my lifetime with you. You are the